A little bit of small talk, no?
Thank you.
Have a smell of this, guys. It's not bad, is it? I'm going to just let the people have a smell, so you just carry on doing your thing there, Noah. Have a smell of it. Isn't it bad? So that's the lemongrass with the chili jam and a little bit of coconut. Yeah, what about you guys? In the cheap sticks. I don't want you to miss it. Does that smell good? John, take one. John, grab one. Don't tell me. All the way. So you can hide back up here. How's it going, Noah? Thumbs up. Keep going, man. Small talk. He's got off on that.
They smell amazing.
Alright, how are potatoes looking, buddy? Okay. Good, good. Right, so now, ladies first. We're just going to spoon these mussels out. And basically, you don't eat the lemongrass, but you eat everything else. Okay, so you pour a little bit of that beautiful jus over the top. You have it, so. Okay. And let me show you a little secret. When it comes to eating mussels, see, the thing about dates like this, Noah, you've got to sound like you're a really smart dude. So the more you know about what you're eating, the more you impress them. Sometimes. So, you know what you can do is you can actually take one of your mussels, right, and take the meat out. Delicious. And then you use this to take the other mussels out. Have you seen that before? Right, so you just take it out like that. And then you can break one of your shells and put your fork in, like that. Right? And then that can be your spoon. Okay, like that, and then away you go. So now I want you to show Mariah how to do it. Go for it. Okay, Casanova. See the potatoes? Don't they look good? So, you're going to serve those alongside. You can dip the potatoes in. Okay, so let's give them a bit of privacy. And a little round of applause. I'll bring you a glass of wine, but you clearly don't need one, Melly. You're doing just fine. Alright, let me show you how to cook these incredible lobsters. Now, you guys have got so much beautiful stuff on your doorstep that I've got to tell you, these lobsters are just unreal. They're so good. Here's how I'm going to make it. Now, these have been blanched, right, so they're not fully cooked. And what we're going to do is we're going to split it in half, just like that, still with the shell on. Okay, so you go through the tail and then you go through the top part. Right, you open it up. And then you can take the claws off. Right? And then what we're going to do is take our lobsters and we're going to turn the meat over and we're going to put the meat from the claws back into the lobster tails, and I'm going to show you how to make a really simple dish. It's just corn juice, right? Which is right here. Now I use maybe 7 or 8 ears of corn. Has anyone got a juicer at home? No. We've got a problem. We've got one lady there with a juicer, so go over to her place. What I do is I juice the corn, so I get this intensely sweet corn juice, and then you let that get warm, and once it's warm, you start to add little knobs of butter, and you just whisk it together, so you're going to make a corn butter, alright? Now, if you don't want to do that, you could do something with, you just let your butter go soft, and you could chop some garlic and parsley and ginger and all of those flavours, you get the same kind of result. Alright. So, once you've cut your lobster in half, take out those bits. Then what you do is you pick up the meat, take it out of the shell, cut it in half, and then put it back in the opposite side. Okay? So just like that. There we go. And then the claws, you want to break those pieces up there and then break it in half like that. You take the claw meat out, hopefully. How's it going now? How are the muscles, are they good? Yeah? Because I don't care about the muscles. Concentrate on other stuff. Okay, claw meat, and that goes into the top, and then you take the knuckles out as well, but I won't bore you with that. Once your corn comes up to temperature, oh, so sweet. If you've got a juicer, really give this a go, because it's a beautiful, beautiful thing to do with lobster. Drop in a few pieces of butter. Now you don't want your corn juice to be too hot, otherwise the butter will melt straight away. What you're trying to do, this is a French way of making a sauce, it's called monté à beurre, hidden with butter. I'm saying that, you're all Canadian, you probably don't understand French much better than me. Anyway, you thicken the sauce with butter, so you're just going to add the butter slowly on a very low heat, alright? And then you get your grill pan here. Now you can do this obviously outside on the barbie. Beautiful. Oh, I forgot, Noah. What you're supposed to do with the cilantro is just sprinkle it